breaking news on the ruling that struck down the federal mask mandate. The Justice Department says it will appeal the ruling only if the CDC determines it's still needed to protect public health. Good evening. I'm Shannon Sims.
And I'm Charles. We're live at Milwaukee's Mitchell International Airport. In the meantime, now it is up to passengers if they want to wear a mask or not. Now, here at the airport, many carriers, including JetBlue, Delta, Southwest, and American, have declared masks optional. I had a chance to catch up with Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg while he was in the central part of Wisconsin today to talk about fixing roads and bridges. But I did ask him, what now, after a federal court ended the mask policy? Do you think the Biden administration will want to appeal this, or do you think it's time that it's up to individuals to decide whether or not to wear a mask when taking public transportation?
Well, I know the DOJ is working through the right next steps from a legal perspective. What I'll say operationally is that we've always been wanting to work toward the moment when that mask decision could no longer be subject to a requirement. Prefer that be guided by medical professionals rather than politicians or the court system, but however it happens, we just need to make sure that everybody has the right information about what to expect when they get on that bus or when they step on that plane.
You got a lot of pushback from the airlines saying it's time. They were ready to move on. Is it time to move on, given where we are in this country and where a lot of mask mandates have gone away?
Well, again, I think the best people to make that call are going to be medical professionals. Right now, what we're doing is we're working within the framework of the guidance and of the law. And as of today, that framework effectively says it's up to you. And I'm sure a lot of people will choose to continue to wear masks and a lot of people will choose not to. And that, at least as of today, is how it's going to work.
And this story's been changing in the last hour or two. We have more breaking news to tell you at 6. Within the past hour, Milwaukee County Executive David Crowley putting out a statement saying masks will continue to be required on Milwaukee County transit buses. Now, just this morning, MCTS said masks would be optional. Crowley saying the change was made out of an abundance of caution.